polishing these colors. So we all go ahead and apply the smaller, using a smaller beads from condensed glue gels. It's really thick density. So all you need to do is to spread your condensed glue gels evenly. Make sure that you cover it completely, because the Diamond Dust Pixies only sticks onto the condensed glue gel and the layer of a no wipe top coat, so it's might not sticking it if you don't have the condensed glue gels. So we're gonna repeat this the concept for like 4 times, because what I want to do is cute Diamond Dust Pixie. I want to show you on the top, but however it might be different when you're doing on the top of other colors, so keep in mind. So no wipe top coat, and we are going to floating right on the top of the unclear condensed glue gel, so you're not doing it unclear. So now a lot of nail tech that I got an opportunity to teach a class as well, and a lot of you were asking and say why your Diamond Dust Pixie is like really sticky, and then really like it looks nice on the first application and in the pictures, and then it start looking really dirty and sticky. You know, it's just the reason is because you might not apply the no wipe top coat on the top. So it's no wipe top coat. It is not only to help blend it really nice, so then that way it have a good layer of the top coat. So it's not only completely finished for your application when you are finished with the crystal, when you apply it on, or when you sprinkle your Diamond Dust Pixie. Also, it's gonna, when you cure, it's gonna complete it and it have no tacky layer left. So that's why is when you sprinkle the Diamond Dust Pixie on, it will not only grab the base of the Diamond Dust Pixie as well as the crystal, so then there's no tacky layer. So when you have a tacky layer, it start attracts a lot of like fur, dust, everything for your clients throughout 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks they're wearing the nails, and they keep catching and right in the middle of a Diamond Dust Pixie. That's why it's been collecting all the dust, and it's just sticking on all the tacky layer. With the Crystal Trifecta, it doesn't do that. Is help actually not only looks your Diamond Dust Pixie looks stay nice and fresh, also it's keep it really nice and clean, and it'll last long for 4 weeks plus. So I'm gonna add some of this because I wanted to do this one on it. Maybe should I do this one right here? I'm gonna do this one and see what's up. Okay, I wanted to do, it keeps staying at me, and I am gonna do. So now keep in mind, if you want to do with or without Diamond Dust Pixie, here's a concept. You're gonna do the condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat, and then start adding your crystals. And how do you start with the crystal placement? I would suggest start with the centerpieces first. So you can see that I start centerpieces with this cute whimsical flowers, which is come in the mixed bag on the sub box this month. And then I work around with all the SS filler and metal frame. Also, you can feel free to adding some beads on if you want to, but I'm gonna keep it like this because we want to spring some of a Diamond Dust Pixie. Just for your reference only. You can do less or more. I just happen that I want to see how it's gonna look on all of them. So now it looks super cute. And then again, if you don't want any Diamond Dust Pixie, leave it alone as it is. Want to add it on and see what's up. So if you do, because you'll be surprised, because a lot of clients are also love it, and like they want the Diamond Dust Pixie plus crystal. So all right, so make sure you have the tray to, like if you're doing client's nail, have a tray to holding it the client's finger, so then it's gonna catching all of the remaining or excess Diamond Dust Pixie that is not going to stick it on the nails. So it's catching remaining. I'm gonna be really gentle, slowly add it on. Ooh, looks really cool. Tap gentles. and then just adjusting your pixie. Okay, I would adjusting it really quick before tap it in, pat it, so make sure they are stay really nice and compact. Okay. So it's gonna grab into the condensed glue gel, and take your time to adjusting it. Make sure that it's not anything that hang off the edges. Okay, and now you're happy with this, so I'll go into cure. Don't touch anything, don't dust nothing off yet. Okay, 60 seconds cure. And just in case you want to adjust anything, you do it now, but I don't think we need anything else. All right, cure for 60 seconds.